Hello students, in today's video you are going to learn about age related questions. In the chapter linear equation there are questions where age of a mother and a child and the relationship is given, and I have seen in my experience that students don't know the exact technique to solve those questions. So in this video I am going to take few questions based on age, and accordingly I'll explain you with a trick to solve them. Okay, so let me first give you the 3 steps that you should use to solve such questions, and then I will give you 5 to 6 questions where you will be using those 3 steps to solve the question. And let's see how it works. So whenever you get a different question, you are also able to solve that. Let's go ahead and see the 3 steps that I have for you in this video. Okay, so the first step is you have to make a chart with the given information. Whatever is the information given to you, you have to make the chart for it. First thing. Second thing, you have to apply. One more thing that you have to remember here, while making the chart, you're not applying the relationship. You'll apply the relationship after the chart is completed. Okay. So the first thing is you're making a chart where you write the age, present age. Suppose the question has a variable of after 4 years ago. So after 4 years, then your heading will be present age 4 years ago. If it has 4 years before, so you'll write the heading 4 years before, and we'll calculate it accordingly, but we will not apply the relationship in the chart. Once the chart is made, we apply the relationship separately. Using the relationship, we solve the linear equation and get the value. Here we'll try and use x as a variable, or you can use y also, there is no issue on that, but we'll use the variable for whatever is asked in the question. Suppose they are asking the son's age, so we try and take son's age as x, so that later on we don't have a different answer, and if we forget to give the exact answer what is demanded in the question, we don't lose marks on that. Got it? So let's get started with the questions. So the first question that is here, Radhika's mother is 4 times as old as Radhika. After 5 years, her mother will be 3 times as old as she will be then. Find their present age. So here they are asking age of mother and daughter both. So the first thing is, we are going to talk about the present age, and the second heading is after 5 years. The first relationship here gives us the value of the present age. If Radhika's age is x, mother's age is 4 times. The second relationship given in the question, we are not going to use in the chart. We are going to use the concept that after 5 years will be added to their present age. So Radhika's age will become x plus 5, whereas mother's age will become 4x plus 5. Now we see the relationship. Her mother will be 3 times as old as she will be then. So mother will be 3 times as old as Radhika after 5 years. This is the case given to us. Okay. So mother's age after 5 years is 4x plus 5. Radhika's age is x plus 5. So we do 3 into x plus 5. This becomes 3x plus 15. Now we have a linear equation. We do the transposition and solve it. 4x minus 3x is equal to 15 minus 3. 12. X is equal to 12. So Radhika's age is 12 and the mother's age is 4 into 12, that is 48. Yes. I hope you get this concept. Here we are using this chart method to understand it, and the steps are, first we make the chart, apply the relationship after making the chart, and then solve the linear equation. Let's move on to the next question. The ratio of Pratibha's age to Aradhna's age is 5:6. So the present condition is given to you. Again, we put the heading present age. And then 12 after 12 years. After 12 years. The first relationship given to us is 5:6. Pratibha to Aradhana. That means Pratibha to Aradhana is 5/6. It implies Pratibha is equal to 5x and Aradhana is equal to 6x. So 5x and 6x. Now after 12 years, we are not going to use the relationship. We are going to add 12 to that. It becomes 5x plus 12 and this becomes 6x plus 12. Now what is the relationship? After 12 years, the relationship is Aradhana and Pratibha are in the ratio of 9:10. We apply this relationship. We get 5x. Sorry, the question says the ratio of Pratibha to Aradhana is 9:10. So this is Pratibha to Aradhana is 9:10. So Pratibha will be 5x plus 12 upon 6x plus 12 is equal to 9/10. Solve this. X plus 120 is equal to 54x plus 708. So we get 4x is equal to 12. Sorry, this is 70. 9 12s are 108. Yes. And we get here is equal to 12. X is equal to 3. So that means Pratibha's age is 5 into 3, that is 15. And Aradhana's age is 6 into 3, that is 18. And if we want to check whether our relationship is right or wrong, we can check it by give you 27 and 18 plus 12 will give you 30. If you find the divide by 3, you get 9/10, which is the correct answer. So we have done the correct calculation and this is our required answer. Let's move on to the next question. The age of A is 5 years more than B. So if B is X, the present age of A will be X plus 5. 5 years ago. Now here we are talking about पीछे की age. मतलब पहले 5 years ago. 5 साल पहले age कितनी होगी? इसकी age X and this will be X minus 5. So the ratio is going to be 3:2. A upon B, the ratio is 3:2. So A's age is 5. X minus 5 is equal to 3/2. 2x is equal to 3x minus 15. So 3x minus 2x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15. This is the age of B and age of A is B's age is 15 years and A's age will be 20 years. I hope you can see how I am making the chart, how I am putting the relationship. So this is a short method of solving all the question age related. You have to first make the chart, then apply the relationship. The moment you apply the relationship in the chart, you are supposed to get confused. 2 years ago, Dilip was 3 times as old as his son. And 2 years hence, twice his age will be equal to 5 times that of his son. Find their present ages. Okay, so this has got 3 variables here. Now they have the present age, they have 2 years ago, they have 2 years after. So let's take 2 years ago. So first thing that you get, son was X, Dilip was 3 times that of his son's age. So 2 साल पहले यदि सन X का था तो आज कितना होगा? X plus 2 का होगा. By addition only we are going to get this value 3x plus 2. And 2 years after, what will be his age? I'm still not putting the relationship. Please see here. I am not putting the relationship. I am just calculating as per simple maths of addition of years. After 2 years, it will be 3x plus 4 and this will be x plus 4. Now let's read the relationship. The relationship says 2 years hence, twice his age will be equal to 4 times that is of his son. So that means 2 years hence की relationship दी हुई है. What is the relationship 2 years hence? It says Dilip will be twice Dilip's age will be equal to 5 times the son's age. Okay. So we have Dilip's age 2 years hence. 2 into 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 into x plus 4. Let's solve it out. 6x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 20. So you get x is equal to 12. That means 2 years ago the son's age was 12 and that of Dilip was 36. But they are asking the present age. Present age of son will be x plus 2, that is 12 plus 2, that is 14. And Dilip's present age will be 3x plus 2, that is 36 plus 2, 38. This is your answer. So initially the question looks complicated कि इसकी एज दी है, उसकी एज उससे 3 टाइम है. But we are not listening to any relationship. Our assumption should be correct. 2 years ago, and then we added the ages, added the years, got 2 years hence wala situation, and then we applied the relationship. Coming to the last question of the similar type. Monu's father is 26 younger than Monu's grandfather and 29 years older than Monu. The sum of their ages of all three is 135. Now here are 3 variables here. There is a grandson, there is a father and there is a son. So what do we do? Grandfather की एज सपोज x मान ली, तो मोनूस फादर की एज उससे 26 years younger है, तो minus 26. Monu is still 29 younger than, see here there, and 29 years older than Monu. So you want, you can take this as x also. So if you take this as x, father's age, grandfather will be x plus 26 and Monu will be 29 years older than Monu, then 29 years. That is also okay. Now you add all 3 of them. X plus 26 plus x minus 29 is equal to, their sum is 135. So you get 3x minus 3 is equal to 135. 3x is equal to 138. And you have x is equal to 46. So the father's age is 46. Grandfather will be 46 plus 26, that is 72. And Monu will be 46 minus 29, that is 7, and you get 17. So these are their ages. There is one more question. Let's see how you solve it. I would suggest pause the video, complete the chart yourself and then solve the question. The difference between the age of 2 cousins is 10 years. Now if one of the cousin is x, the other will be x plus 10. 15 years ago, if the, okay, so here this is the present and this is 15 years ago. So let's write x minus 15 and x minus 5. The elder one was twice as old as the younger one. So cousin 2 will be twice cousin 1. X minus 5 is equal to twice x minus 15. 2x minus 30. So you get x is equal to 25. So cousin 1 age is 25 years and cousin 2 age is 35 years. I hope you understand this part of the question. For any more doubts, you can comment. Keep watching such more videos. I will be giving more tricks specifically on different type of questions. so that you are able to master a particular kind of equation or question easily. Keep watching Easy Maths. Thank you.